How to generate a CV. Today we will teach you how to generate a CV of a consultant. For example, let's assume we want to generate a CV of Alexander. We do this through different methods. We can either press the Generate CV on the home page, which will lead us directly to the CV generator. Or we can click on Alexander's profile, which will open his profile. There, we have two buttons that will get us to the generator. Press one of those. A CV can have a category, and you can select one of those. Let's select the European institutions category. In this case, we will also select a public template. You have multiple options regarding the output format of the CV. We advise you to use a Word document format, since it allows you to fine-tune the CV on your computer. A consultant can also have multiple profiles, and you can select it on the Profile option. Finally, you can narrow your search by typing the exact name of the template you want. On our case, let's opt for a Demo 6 template. To select the template, click on it. It will be selected when the green icon is displayed on top of it. To generate the CV, press the Generate button. A CV can have questions linked to it that you can fill. After that, click on Generate. Now, the system is compiling the information and generating the document. The CV will automatically download to your computer afterwards. Then, you can open the document and fine-tune all the information you want. After the CV is generated, Sprint CV will ask you if you want to add a comment to the consultant profile. In this case, we will write, "Very good candidate." You can add tags to the profile as well. We want to add a remote-only tag to Alexander's profile, so we will select it on the Add Tags section. To send this information, press Add. To see the comments, click Exit to go back to the consultant's profile, and press the Comments button. All the other managers will be able to see the comments. As you can see, generating a CV has never been easier. If you want to add a specific template, feel free to contact us and our back office will add it for you.